Alrighty, today we are talking about single replacement. So now remember, with single replacement, we have someone single showing up to the party and a couple splitting up because that single person is more attractive. So in this case, we have A plus BC yields AC plus B. So over here, we have our nonmetal C. Not know why that does not work sometimes. So we have our nonmetal C. I guess it could be a metal too. But C's with B, showing up to the party. Realizes B is not that good looking, but element over here, A, super attractive, super reactive. So we have an old switcheroo. So single replacement is always going to happen as long as element A is more attractive than element B. So when you're predicting single replacement equations, that's what you need to figure out. You need to figure out if A is sexier than B. If so, then the reaction is going to occur. If no, if A is less reactive than B, then there's no reaction. So what we have to look at is called the activity series. So here is our activity series. This is also in your reference packet. Your reference packet is a wonderful thing. So with this, we will compare the elements over here, and if it is higher up, it is more reactive, therefore there is going to be a reaction. If it's way down there, less reactive. So let's do some examples. So the first example, zinc and copper chloride form what? So we need to find zinc and copper. So on our activity series, we see that zinc is right here and copper is way down near the bottom. So you can see that zinc is definitely higher up on the activity series, therefore it is more reactive. So we are going to have a reaction. So we know that the copper is going to go home by himself and the chlorine is going to come and bond with zinc. So zinc chloride plus copper. And that is all you have to do for single replacement. Look on your activity series, figure out if it switches. If so, you are good to go. Let's do one more example. We have iodine plus calcium chloride yields what? So we got to find our I2 and Cl2. So for this one, we go to the very top. This activity series is way up here. And we see that I2 is here, chlorine is there. So what you should notice about this is that chlorine is higher than iodine. So on our problem, calcium would rather be with the one that's higher up. So calcium would rather be with chlorine. Remember that chlorine is closer to fluorine than iodine. So chlorine's more reactive. Chlorine's sexier if you want. So there is no switch. There is no single replacement here. There is no reaction. We say no reaction by just writing a big in R. That is it. And this is single replacement and how you do it.